how to create a QR code for a questionnaire. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also have a lot of questionnaire created whether using Google Forms or any other sites, and if you want to share this as a QR code to any person which you like to share, here's what you need to do. So first, just open up your Google Form or any other website where you have created your bunch of questionnaires. So as you can see, although it's in Chinese, I've created some questionnaires to answer. So what you need to do is just first make sure you have clicked on this share button and make sure you have selected this responder view as anyone with the link so that anyone on the internet can open this link. So now simply copy the responder link from over here, and once you copy it, just head over to any of your websites such as QR code generator and simply paste your link, that is your Google Sheet link, over here right next to it, and simply Control V it. And once you do that, you can simply tap on this create QR code button over here and we'll simply wait for a few seconds, and just like that your QR code will be generated in a few seconds. Now simply download the PNG as well. You can also increase the quality of your QR code just like this, and simply click on this create QR code once again and just click on download PNG, and you just have to wait for a few seconds until it gets downloaded and after being generated. So as you can see, my QR code has been ready just like this. So you can easily view it by opening this just like this, and you can easily share it with your friends using different social media platforms such as Facebook, WhatsApp, Viber, etc. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.